All things bright and beautiful, the Lord God made them all. Madagascar is the perfect proof. This island broke away from Africa millions of years ago, and God filled it with creatures you won't find anywhere else. The indri sings like it's calling heaven. The eye uses a long finger to hunt in the dark, a design only the Creator could imagine. The fossa, fast and mysterious, moves like a shadow crafted with purpose. Chameleons here flash colors like living miracles. Tomato frogs glow red. Leaf-tailed geckos vanish into bark as if God Himself painted them into the trees. Every creature whispers the same truth. The earth is not random. It is intentional. It is crafted. It is divine. Madagascar is a small island, but its wonders shout one message loudly. The Lord God made them all.